Hi friends with YouTube, it's me Marie with It's Me Custom Jewelry. Um, I just wanted to say hello everybody. I haven't uploaded any videos this year, so this is my first video for this year. And I'm all excited. I have a very pretty bracelet that I'm going to show y'all how to make. And this is the bracelet. Okay. And it has a clasp, a homemade clasp, and a little homemade tassel. I do have videos on how to make tassels. I'm going to have to make a second video for the tassel. If not, this video is going to be too long. But yes, this is my bracelet. We're going to be using, and I wanted to show you another color, another style, but it's just different beads. See, here we go. So let's get started on making our new bracelet. We deserve a new bracelet. So we are going to be using this material today. These, the wire cutter, the 6-in-1 mandrel pliers, and these right here, okay, and our ruler. And we're going to be using 18 gauge wire, and we're going to straighten out our wire first. Okay. And we're going to get 11 inches of this wire. Let me make sure it's the right wire. Yes, it is. Okay. And we're going to have these beads right here are the ones I'm going to be using right here. And I want to make sure this camera is adjusted properly. Jump rings. And, okay, so we're going to measure us out. 11 inches of this 18 gauge wire. 11 inches. Right here. Oops. Make sure this is flush cut. Yes. That way you don't scratch. We're going to go with the second one of the mandrel. And this is how we start this bracelet. We're going to go hold it tight, and back. We're making the loops here, okay? We're making this loop right here, okay? And that's how you start it. Then we put it back here in the mandrel. And we're gonna straighten it out. We're gonna make this, straighten it out so it's straight. See? You just go back on the mandrel like that and push, and it makes it go like that. Okay. Now we're going to get our 24 gauge wire, which is this one. And we're going to start wrapping right here. Okay? So we're going to put it like this. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're going to scoot it all the way down like so. Okay. And we're going to squeeze this together like that. Okay. Okay. Now we're ready to start our beads. Let's see. We're going to put our first bead in. And we have it like this. And we're going to get this wire right here and wrap it behind like that. 1, 2. See? And scoot it. Now we have our 24 gauge wire coming this way. We got our 18 gauge this way. And we're going to continue to put our little beads in there. One by one. See? You hold it and you hold this, push this down like that, and then you wrap. 1, 2. Then you grab another one. You hold it tight right here. 1, 2. I scooted down with my nails. There. That's why I can't keep a good manicure. Anyway. Then we're going to go this way. 1, 2. One, 2. I like to give it 2 wraps. This is where you would put any other kind of embellishments. If you want to go with, let's say you want to put some pearls in there. You just put a pearl and you wrap it in, see? You put a roll of pearls to make it a different style, and you would put the pearls in there and wrap them in there as well. So let's try a couple of pearls. 1, 2. There are 6 millimeters also, so it's the same size. But you can put different sizes. And this is like whatever you want goes. You know, I like to make different things. Make my things different. I'm always styling things, making different styles. you know, just whatever I like is what I make. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put 4 pearls. Regular four pearls. I just mainly doing this to show you all the technique, the wrapping technique, and what your options are. See, now we're going to go back to the purple. One, two, 1, 2, 2 wraps. One, two. Again, this is 24 inches, 24 gauge wire going this way, 18 gauge going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 4 and 4 is 8. And we're just going to continue till we have 18. Nope. Yeah, that's right. And this is our last bead. Okay. We're going to wrap it 5 times, the last one. So it's 5 times around. We're going to snip it off. Okay. We're going to smash it in. Snip the other side off. Smash it in. Okay. So there we have it. That's our bracelet right there. We're going to get our 5-in-1 mandrel. Go with a second one again. we're going to do this number. Let's see. This one is going this way. So we're going to go ahead and bend it this way. Like so. On the second one, we're going to go this way with it. Okay. And then we're going to keep on wrapping. Here we go. Take it out, adjust it. Okay. So here we go. And we're going to snip this off right here. So there'll be 2 on each side, like so. Okay. Let's see. Make sure it's flush cut there, because it will poke. Okay. All right. So we have our bracelet. And we're going to do this number. Bend it in this way. You know, you could put more pearls. I just put it like that just to make it a design different, but I usually just make them one color, not at least they ask for another color, but I just wanted to make this one different. So here we go. Now we're going to make the clasps. Our clasp, we're gonna make a clip. And where is my, here it goes. We're gonna straighten it out. Like so. We're going to bend this right here like a clip. Okay, that's our clip right there. See? Just like that. Okay. And with this side right here, we're going to make our circle like this. We're going to make it this way. Okay. So here we go. We have it like this. Now what we're going to do is we have our circle, we have our clip. Now we're going to wrap this part around this clip. Correct? Capiche? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to hold it right here. And I think I'm going to go a little bit farther in this way. There we go. Now, you see how I have this? I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to wrap it around this way. So you wrap 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there you go. So we have a little tail right here. We're going to cut it off. The remaining tail, you see it? Right there. So we have a clip with a circle. Okay. And now we have this right here. So we're going to cut this off too. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to go up with this like this. And this is going to be the top of the clasp. See how the clasp is? I'll leave it there so y'all can see it. And we're going to simply make our little loops inward like so. Like that. Okay. Okay. So there's our little circle. See? Like that. Now, we're going to get this. I don't like it too thick, but thick enough. So, let's go here, this way. Okay. And then the very end of it, we're going to get it like right here against this. And we're going to bend up a little bit. Like that. And there's our little clasps. You get you 2 of these jump rings. And we're going to put it in here like this. So here's our clasps. And let's get the other jump ring on. Over here. You can use just like this and put it in here like this. If you have a small wrist, like that. But if you have a large wrist, you simply add jump rings here. Like this. So you adjust how big you want it here, see? There's the jump ring. And you can also put the tassel here also. So there's my bracelet. It's different from this one, but it's still real pretty. It's has a little bit of, but here I have the tassel attached to the right here to this base, and I have this one pointed back this way, and this one is pointed this way. So it just depends on your design on how you want to make it. I will uh, upload some trinkets to put on there, and these are my bracelets. If you like my tutorials, please give me a thumbs up and share, like, and subscribe. I'm Marie with It's Me Custom Jewelry. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I hope y'all got inspired to make some pretty jewelry. If you like my tutorials, please give me a comment and let me know. And if you do make this bracelet, please upload your pictures. Thank you for watching. Bye.